Hi, welcome to Crewe Seat. This is a quick video tour of this approved used Seat Leon FR. This is a 1.4 EcoTSI FR Technology vehicle. It's a 150 PS and it's a DSG automatic. This vehicle comes with the front and rear FR exclusive bumpers, and it also comes with the LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. We've got these stunning alloy wheels, which are the 18-inch alloys, and also the indicators located on the side mirrors. The vehicle is finished in Nevada White, one of our metallic paints, and it does come with the Convenience Pack Plus, as well as the twin exhaust pipes on the rear. As you can see there, we've got the FR detailing on the rear, as well as the Leon lettering in the silver and chrome detailing. As we enter into the boot, you can see there we've got the black carpet finish, and it looks really good as new, with the cream plastic hooks there as well, just to secure any loose items you may have whilst driving, or hook any bags onto. Plenty of space there, enough for 2 suitcases if you're going away. This is a 5-door vehicle. It's done 40,243 miles, so quite reasonably low miles. It's a 2017 registered vehicle, and it is a petrol vehicle as well. As you can see, the condition is lovely as I work our way around the vehicle, and in the rear we've got the electric window switches and the FR interior. We've got the red bespoke trim in the rear, as well as the FR detailing on the outer 2 seats. We've got the black cloth upholstery seats. As we enter into the front of the vehicle, you can see we've got the fully electric window switches and the electrically adjustable side mirrors. We've also got the FR detailing along the door sill and the part leather additional detailing in the front seats, with the red bespoke trim again, which flows throughout. This is the FR upholstery, the headlight controls just below the steering wheel, and here we've got the dashboard display. This vehicle comes here with the black leather steering wheel with the multifunctional controls on in the flappy paddle gear shifts, as well as the flat base design part of the FR sporty styling. As you can see there, the leather is a lovely addition to the front and it looks really good. We've got the touchscreen display displaying here currently, with access to full link, navigation, radio system and more. As you can see there, we've got the full DAB radio and different banding systems. We've also got the full link option, which is perfect for the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. And navigation, which is a perfect tool to use if you're out and about in an area you do not know or you're unfamiliar with. You've also got the reassurance of the map system. Just below we've got the dual climate control and also the mode button, which way you can suggest which mode you'd like to drive in, dependent on the weather conditions or road surfaces. Below we've got the USB and auxiliary input, and it's the DSG automatic gear selector just there, as well as the electronic handbrake park and switch. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call and speak to a member of our sales team on 01270 864 430. Thanks very much for watching.